Verse taken from Aranyakandam of Srimad Ramayanam. Maricha, while speaking to Ravana, said, Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha, Sadhuhu Satya Parakramaha, Raja Sarvasya Lokasya, Devanam Iva Vasavaha, which explains the glory of Rama as follows. Rama is the embodiment of righteousness. He is an equable person with truthfulness as his valor. And as with Indra, to all gods he is the king of entire world.
Sri Rama Jaya Rama